Hey, what's up everybody? Mr. Pauline here. See that big truck? It's coming over here. Paul, you can't do AC on those. What do you mean? It's really no different than a regular vehicle. But on this one, the condenser broke, so he put the new one on, and we are going to flush the high side line clean. It's pretty long. And we are going to put new Schrader valves, connect the hoses back to the condenser with new O-rings, and vacuum and recharge it. I'm not going to get to show all that because we didn't get to camera everything, but just want to show that, hey, we're still busy over here. So this vehicle, we flushed the AC system and did a vacuum and recharge, put new O-rings on the areas we opened, and he has got the windows up, and he is out of here.